So many sunglasses, so little time. There's a pretty staggering amount of lens options on the market today. Deciding which ones are going to work best for your eyes and your lifestyle can be a bit, well, much. If you find yourself overwhelmed by choice, stick around and learn about two of the most popular options out there: polarized and mirrored sunglasses, what they do, and if they'd be good options for you. Hey everyone, welcome back to the Experience Life Through Fused Lenses YouTube channel. I'm Eric, and this is the destination on YouTube to stay updated on eye health, sun protection, and all things sunglasses. We specialize in replacement lenses, and we make mirrored and polarized lenses. So you're gonna get a lot of great info today. So what are mirrored sunglasses? Well, they pretty much live up to their name. They have a reflective coating that helps to deflect light from the sun, and they protect your eyes against bright light. But mirrored coatings are mostly used as a style statement. They add a fun and colorful layer to the lenses. When you're wearing them, people can't see your eyes, and they see themselves reflected back instead. That makes mirror lenses great for a quick touch-up, if you ever need a mirror in a pinch. So polarized sunglasses, on the other hand, are designed to specifically filter out horizontal light, which is the type of light that causes glare. Now, these lenses only allow vertical light to pass through and into your eyes. And if you're interested in learning more, we have a playlist on our channel called Polarized Sunglasses and Lenses, which is linked in the description below, along with the other videos that I'll be mentioning today. So what's the difference between mirrored and polarized lenses anyway? Well, like I mentioned before, polarized lenses specifically filter horizontal light so that it can't reach your eyes, whereas mirrored lenses are more for cosmetic appeal. Now, they both protect your eyes from bright light and the sun's harmful UV rays, but mirrored lenses can sometimes be darker than your average lens, since the mirror coating is an extra layer on top of the sunglasses, although they don't target and block specific light waves the way that polarized lenses do. Also, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss when we post a new one. But out of these two options, which type of lens would be best for your lifestyle? Well, I've got some great news for you, because you can get a mirror coating and polarization in the same pair of sunglasses. Now let's dig into that and find out if that's the right choice for you. Mirrored lenses are a really great option for people who want to make a style statement and block out a ton of sunlight at the same time. They actually reflect up to 60% of the sun's rays and make it more comfortable to do any activities in ultra bright light conditions. Also, if you're into field sports like soccer or baseball, where you don't want the opponent to see where you're looking, mirrored lenses make it impossible for other people to see your eyes, which is definitely a bonus. But if you don't care about having a chic lens appearance with lots of color options, they might not be super necessary. Polarized lenses are especially great for people who are extremely active, suffer from migraines caused by glare sensitivity or eye strain, or spend a lot of time on the road battling the glare from other cars. Since polarization specifically targets glare, it prevents eye strain better than reflective coating, blocks severe glare more effectively, and is especially good for seeing clearly when you're on or near the water. If you like to go fishing, polarized lenses can actually help you see the fish in the water. We have a playlist on our channel called Experience Life Through the Outdoors, where you can learn more about the best sunglasses for activities like water and land sports. But if you're more worried about style, polarization might not be as important to you. But if you like to be fashionable and you're highly active, go for both. At Fuse, you can get a mirror coating on top of a polarized lens, but more on that in a second. There are some people, though, who polarized lenses might not work as well for, like people who spend a lot of time looking at digital screens. They make it difficult to see LCD screens clearly, like computer and TV screens, some phones, smartwatches, and even car HUDs. We actually have a brand new video that goes over the effects of polarization on LCD screens called "Can Pilots Wear Polarized Lenses?" if you want to learn more. Ultimately though, both types of lenses offer visual enhancement, do a great job of protecting your eyes against bright light, and offer 100% protection against harmful ultraviolet light waves. So it's really up to lifestyle and personal taste. If you're interested in getting mirrored or polarized lenses for your sunglasses, or even two-in-one, you should check out fuselenses.com/YouTube. At Fuse, we offer personalized replacement lenses for any brand and style of frame. We have a quick and straightforward system for creating custom lenses so that you can keep your frames fitted with new lenses that fit your needs. So, for example, if you have a pair of Oakleys or literally any other brand of shades, just find your model on our website and customize it from there. We have 11 different mirror coating colors and gradients, including Glacier, which is our best-selling mirrored lens. You can also easily add your prescription to your lenses by filling out a simple RX form so that you look your best and see your best. You can even create replacement lenses that have a mirror, polarization, and prescription all in one. Our prices are competitive and affordable, and we even offer a concierge service where we do the replacement for you from start to finish. You can find out more about our system and our other available choices in our video, Replacement Lens Options, which is a detailed look at everything we offer at Fuse. And don't forget that the links to our website and all the videos that I mentioned today are in the description box below. If you learned something new about polarization and mirror coatings, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell for more videos on vision, sun protection, and all things sunglasses. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you in the next one.